Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Turnersville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This Blackwood hotel is only a 15-minute drive to Clementon Amusement Park and Splash World. All rooms have a 32-inch LCD TV. Hampton Inn Turnersville guest rooms are furnished with a mahogany work desk and a coffee maker. Cable TV and free Wi-Fi is also included. Turnersville Hampton Inn offers a business center and a gym. Laundry facilities are on site and safety deposit boxes can be found in the lobby. A continental breakfast is served every morning at the Hampton Inn. Guests can also visit the snack shop and convenience store. Downtown Philadelphia and its historic sites are a 20-minute drive from the hotel. Wedgwood Country Club Golf Course and Camden County College are a 5-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.